Welcome to a world of K-pop glamour and style right in the heart of your home. In this guide, we'll take you on a journey to transform your ordinary bedroom into a vibrant and stylish sanctuary. Inspired by the global sensation, BLACKPINK. From bold color palettes to iconic posters, we'll explore creative ideas to infuse the spirit of BLACKPINK into every corner of your personal space. Get ready to bring the energy and charm of this beloved girl group into your daily life as we delve into the art of designing a BLACKPINK-inspired bedroom. One. Color palette. Start by selecting a color palette that reflects BLACKPINK's style. The group often uses bold and vibrant colors like black, pink, and white. Consider using these colors as your primary palette for walls, bedding, and accessories. 2. Posters and wall art. Decorate your walls with BLACKPINK posters, framed album covers, and fan art. You can create a gallery wall or choose a focal point wall for these decorations. 3. Neon signs. BLACKPINK often uses neon signs in their music videos and stage designs. Consider adding a neon sign with a BLACKPINK-inspired phrase or symbol to your room for a trendy and K-pop inspired touch. 4. Textiles and bedding. Invest in bedding and textiles that feature black, pink, or white colors. Look for bedding sets with stylish patterns or motifs that remind you of BLACKPINK's fashion. 5. Customized pillows and cushions. You can order or create custom pillows and cushions with BLACKPINK designs or lyrics. These can add a personal touch to your bedroom decor. 6. K-pop merchandise display. Dedicate a shelf or display area for your BLACKPINK merchandise, including albums, light sticks, and collectibles. Use floating shelves or glass cabinets to showcase them. 7. Fashion-inspired decor. Take inspiration from BLACKPINK's fashion style. Incorporate elements like studs, leather accents, or faux fur into your decor choices, such as throw pillows or rugs. 8. Accent wall. Create an accent wall with a bold wallpaper that features a BLACKPINK-inspired design. Such as geometric patterns or metallic accents. 9. Lighting. Use statement lighting fixtures, such as a chandelier or pendant lights, to add a touch of glamour to your room. You can also incorporate string lights or LED strips for a cozy and inviting atmosphere. As you've seen, it's entirely possible to turn your bedroom into a haven that exudes Blackpink's signature style. With the right color scheme, decor elements, and a touch of personal flair, your bedroom can become a tribute to the K-pop phenomenon you adore. We hope these tips and ideas have sparked your creativity and inspired you to embark on your own Blackpink decor journey.